Don't I look cute? Oh, you're on video. Say hi. Look how tall you are. I love you. Yes. Is that better? Say, Grandma, hold me the right way.
Hi. Say, look, I'm being such a good girl.
Hi, Bugaboo. We love you. We love you. Say thank you, Auntie Courtney, for my cute outfit.
And my socks like Grandma.
She's saying thank you. Thank you, Auntie Courtney.
Say thank you. Say I love you.
Oh, I'm too tired.
Oh, I do love you.
Look at these little socks.
I love you. Say, see? I wear socks like Grandma. Keep our feet warm. The baby and the elderly. We gotta keep our toes warm.
How old are you this week? Are you 15 week? How old? How old are you? You're too old. Stop getting old. I said stop getting old. Okay. Say bye, everybody. Say, Grandma Var, I'll see you soon.
Say bye-bye.
Where's Var? Grandma Var, come soon.
Say Grandma Var is going to have all the fun, and Grandma, she's going to cry. Yeah.
Oh, bye.
Bye.